Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is the city I met all my best friends. And I wanna thank every brick, I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ike's place while we'd roll up a blunt. And me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. Where people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going all night, dancing around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment. Yeah, city of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Klaiyi Hair Shop. You Klaiyi for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that they sent me is their 13x4 lace front wig. It's a body wave texture. I have it in 20 inches, 150% density, and the color is Auburn. I have done an Auburn unit before, but I haven't. This one is more of an everyday length, so I wanted to throw that out there. Okay, so on the site it says Klaiyi Brunette Auburn Copper 13x4 lace front wig, body wave, virgin human hair, reddish brown color. So the unit is available in 14 to 30 inches. As I stated, I do have it in 20 inches, but they do have like special offers on here. If you get a 24 inch, you can use like a special code, I think. Just check that out. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. They have it in body wave, which is the same style that I have, but they also have it in a water wave if you want that. They also have it in 150% density and 180. I have it at 150% density. So those are those details and specs. The color is number 33B. And the circumference is 22 to 22.5 inches. This is an average cap size. So be mindful of all that. I also want to throw in there that they did send me the robe. It's in that beautiful emerald green color. So shout out to them for the robe. I love that color. So now as far as the unit, I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. Like literally, old girl woke up like this, and I did decide to finally get on board and try the Pump It Up spritz to lay down my unit. I still use my olive oil spray, but I'm hoping that double effect help it last tomorrow. Because usually when I use my sprays, I don't really like to sleep in wigs, so they don't really last unless you know, like I use glue or something like that. Because I don't like to sleep in wigs, y'all. But I did decide to use this Pump It Up spray, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about that. Like, whether in this video or another video, I may have it somewhere edited on the screen. But I'll let you guys know. But as far as tweezing with this unit, I did not have to tweeze it whatsoever. I did decide to bleach the knots. The knots really could have got away with not bleaching, but I decided to because, child, like I said, I've been on my bleaching kick, but I do still feel like you can kind of get away with not bleaching this unit. But as far as the hairline, girl, I ain't touch her. Oh, girl woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. So that is always a plus in my book, child, because you know your girl lazy. And as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I haven't noticed any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do it at some point, but straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. And yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. It does come with an elastic band, but it is big head friendly. I think you can make it work if you have a smaller head, but to me, it's more average to large head friendly than not. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 girl, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. What's my con? Somebody put it down below. I know you already know. My con is going to be there's a 13x4 child. Okay, that is going to be my con with this unit. And whenever I can't find a con, that one is always going to be it. Okay, so that is my con with this wig. My pros is the length, the color, and the density. Those things, and let's not even take away from the fact that it was free tweeze, because you know I love that. But I feel like this is great mom hair with a little spunk. You know what I'm saying? The length is perfect. The density of this unit is perfect because it's not too much hair. So I love that. It's a great, in my opinion, it's a great everyday unit. So yes, those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit, especially for this time of year. I feel like these colors are really great for winter, you know, the colder seasons. You know, if you don't want to go too dark, but you don't want to be too light, you just want a little pop of color, this is the perfect color. As well as, like I stated, the length, making it, you know, more everyday friendly. And the fact that it was pre-tweezed, making it beginner friendly. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So y'all let me know what you think about this unit. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Klaiyi, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell me questions, feel like I may have left out. Feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, please subscribe. But it's not one rating. And if you're not already following me on all social media platforms, IG and TikTok,
the looks you love completely.
Twitter.
Got every style.